Ever wonder exactly what iPhone you have or why it even matters? Knowing your iPhone's model, storage, and software version is super helpful for selling it, getting repairs, or even just downloading the right apps. Let's dive in. First, tap on the Settings app. It's that gray gear icon. Now scroll down and tap General, then About. This is where all the juicy details live. See, model name, that's your specific iPhone, like iPhone 13 Pro. Below that, model number is an even more precise identifier. Tap on the model number to see it switch between a short code and a longer, more detailed one. Right there, you'll also see iOS version, which tells you your iPhone's software. Knowing this helps ensure your apps are compatible. And for storage, just go back to General and tap iPhone Storage. This shows you how much space you have left for photos, videos, and apps. Back in the About section, you'll also find your serial number and IMEI. These are unique identifiers, important for warranty claims, insurance, or carrier-related tasks. And there you have it. Now you're equipped with all the essential info about your iPhone. Pretty easy, right? If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Subscribe for more fun facts.